It's always so cold in here.
Put on another jacket.
I'm already wearing 3.
Yeah, that's not good. Maybe it's time to invest in a small space heater.
Maybe it's most definitely time.
Don't be like this couple. Invest in a Bayka space heater. Adjust the heat effortlessly with the adjustment knob. There's also a protection function. If the heater falls over, the heater turns off automatically. However, if the heater remains upright, it remains on. You'll want to be like this couple.
Who the hell are you?